Although the clouds have rolled in, the sun hasn't set on solar. Let's take a look at a star in the solar space that's still surviving these challenging times and potentially setting up to rebound in the future. Sunrun was founded in 2007 when it made waves in the solar industry by introducing a subscription-based service model that was described as democratizing access to locally generated renewable energy. Today, Sunrun is a leading provider of residential solar and storage services, offering customers the opportunity to switch to clean energy with no upfront costs. The company considers itself a provider of innovative products and solutions that provide energy security, predictability, and peace of mind to homeowners, while also benefiting communities, utilities, and the electric grid. The core of their business involves designing, developing, installing, selling, owning, and maintaining residential solar energy systems in the United States. The company's primary customers are residential homeowners, who can benefit from clean solar energy at savings compared to traditional utility energy. They also offer battery storage solutions alongside solar energy systems in select markets and provide services to commercial developers through its multifamily and new homes offerings. The company's scalable operating platform allows it to drive distribution through multiple channels, including a diverse partner network and direct-to-consumer operations. This multi-channel model supports broad sales and installation capabilities, enabling Sunrun to achieve capital-efficient growth. Sunrun's solar service offerings are provided through lease and power purchase agreements, known as customer agreements, which offer customers simple, predictable pricing for solar energy that is insulated from rising retail electricity prices. These agreements also provide customers with the benefit of increased resiliency from backup energy and enhanced energy management capabilities when they opt for storage offerings. Most customers choose to buy solar as a service from Sunrun without the significant upfront investment of purchasing a solar energy system outright. Under the customer agreements, Sunrun installs solar energy systems on customers' homes, provides them with the solar power produced by those systems, and monitors, maintains, and insures the systems during the contract term, typically 20 or 25 years. Sunrun finances its operations through a combination of tax equity, non-recourse debt, and project equity structures, which enable the company to fund its upfront costs, overhead, and growth investments. The company has a strong track record of attracting low-cost capital from diverse sources, including tax equity and debt investors. Since its inception, Sunrun has raised tax equity investment funds to finance the installation of solar energy systems. The company's scalable platform and ability to drive distribution through multiple channels have enabled it to achieve substantial growth in its business and operations, to the point where it achieved one of the largest fleets of residential solar energy systems in the United States, with a networked solar energy capacity of 7,531 megawatts. With gross earning assets at $17.8 billion. Growth is driven by differentiation that sees Sunrun providing support for its platform through a multi-channel model, resulting in broad customer reach and capital-efficient growth, whereby customers are offered compelling solar service through scalable, cost-effective, and consumer-friendly channels. Customers can access its products through three primary channels: direct-to-consumer, solar partnerships, and strategic partnerships. The company's focus on delivering a differentiated customer experience through customized solutions and a trusted brand has resonated with customers and contributed to its growth and success. The direct-to-consumer channel allows Sunrun to sell solar service offerings and install solar energy systems directly to customers. This channel consists of an online lead generation function, a telesales and field sales team, a direct-to-home sales force, a retail sales team, and an industry-leading installation organization. Through this channel, customers can purchase solar energy systems outright or enter into a customer agreement with Sunrun. The direct-to-consumer channel enables Sunrun to scale rapidly, drive incremental unit costs down over the long term, and refine operational processes to share with its partners. Sunrun's solar partnerships involve collaborations with diverse solar organizations that act as distributors of its solar service offerings and subcontractors for the installation of solar energy systems. These partnerships include solar integrators, sales partners, and installation partners. Solar integrators originate customers for Sunrun's solar service offerings and install the solar energy systems on customers' homes, while sales partners provide high-quality leads and customers at competitive prices. Installation partners procure and install a subset of Sunrun's solar energy systems, allowing the company to deploy a mix of in-house and outsourced installation capabilities more efficiently. Sunrun's solar partnerships enable the company to expand its brand, quickly enter new markets, and drive capital-efficient growth. Then, Sunrun's strategic partnerships encompass relationships with new market entrants not previously engaged in solar, including consumer marketing, retail, and specialized energy retail companies. These partnerships allow Sunrun to market its solar service offerings to the strategic partner's customer base and install the solar energy systems directly or through one of its solar partners. Sunrun manages the customer experience and retains the value of the economic relationship through the term of the customer's contract and potential renewal period. These strategic partnerships provide Sunrun with access to millions of potential customers and position the company to be the partner of choice for new market entrants. The combination of direct-to-consumer, solar partnerships, and strategic partnerships offers distinct advantages. Sunrun's multi-channel strategy, supported by its open platform, allows the company to reach more customers with its leading solar service offerings without compromising its ability to provide exceptional customer service. The direct-to-consumer channel enables Sunrun to scale rapidly and refine operational processes, while the solar partnerships and strategic partnerships enable nimble market entry and exit and capital-efficient growth. By leveraging its multi-channel capabilities, Sunrun can drive down customer acquisition costs and make solar accessible to even more customers. Their customer agreements are the foundation of the business model, providing residential customers with access to solar energy at prices typically below utility rates. These agreements, which include leases and power purchase agreements, allow customers to use and consume electricity generated by solar energy systems installed on their homes. Most customer agreements have an initial term of 20 or 25 years and offer customers a range of benefits, including predictable energy prices, performance guarantees, and system maintenance. Sunrun's performance guarantee ensures that customers receive the energy they expect at the price they expect, and the company offers an industry-leading warranty for roof penetrations. Overall, customer agreements offer customers flexibility and control over their energy costs. Customers can choose to pay little to nothing upfront and receive a monthly bill, or prepay an amount upfront to reduce their monthly bill. The amount of the upfront payment is customized for each customer, and customers who prepay may be eligible for refunds if the solar energy system's production exceeds estimates. After the initial term of the customer agreement, customers have the option to renew their contracts, purchase the system, or have Sunrun remove the system. Sunrun operates and maintains the system, including monitoring and maintenance, at no additional cost to the customer. Their sales organization uses a direct-to-consumer approach across multiple channels, including online, retail, mass media, digital media, canvassing, field marketing, and referrals, alongside partnerships with sales-only organizations that focus on direct-to-consumer marketing and sales on its behalf. Sunrun's sales team is trained to provide a customized, customer-focused selling process that maximizes sales success and customer experience. The company's proprietary technology provides real-time data and pricing tools that enable its sales team to generate tailored product offerings with optimized pricing based on the actual characteristics of a customer's home. As for competition, they compete with traditional utilities that supply electricity to its potential customers, as well as companies that offer similar solar energy solutions. The company competes on the basis of price, predictability of future prices, backup power capabilities, and ease of switching to solar energy. Sunrun also faces competition from companies that offer community solar projects or renewable subscriber programs, which could affect its sales. However, the company believes it competes favorably with these companies based on its unique multi-channel approach and differentiated customer experience. Moreover, their acquisition of Vivint Solar in 2020 further expanded its operations and capabilities, solidifying its position as a leader in the residential solar and storage market. Other tailwinds come in the form of government incentives to promote the adoption of solar energy. These incentives include rebates, tax credits, payments for renewable energy credits, and exemptions from property tax assessments. By leveraging these incentives, solar energy companies like Sunrun can reduce the cost of their services, making solar energy more accessible to customers. The federal government provides significant incentives for solar energy through the Investment Tax Credit (ITC) program. The ITC allows businesses to claim a tax credit for a portion of the cost of installing solar energy systems. The Inflation Reduction Act of 2022 extended and expanded the ITC program, providing a 30% credit for solar facilities placed in service between 2022 and 2025, and a technology-neutral credit under Section 48E of the tax code for facilities placed in service after 2024 and through at least 2033. Additional credits are available for facilities that meet certain domestic content requirements, are located in energy communities, or benefit low-income communities and tribal communities. Many states and local jurisdictions offer additional incentives for solar energy, including property tax exemptions, exclusions, abatements, and credits. Some states have also adopted renewable portfolio standards, which require utilities to generate a certain percentage of their electricity from renewable sources. Solar energy system owners can benefit from these incentives by selling solar renewable energy credits (SRECs) to utilities. Potential changes in government policy are always something to be aware of, so it's crucial to stay up to date on how the regulatory landscape is evolving. For more on Sunrun and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.